The artificial light glowing from your screens and your ceiling after sunset is doing something your body never evolved to handle. It's suppressing a hormone that's both a powerful antioxidant and a key to your pain relief, and it's scrambling the stress and repair systems you heal by. This nightly exposure may be quietly sabotaging your recovery. Let me show you how light became a pain problem. I'm Dr. Padda. We covered circadian rhythm earlier in this masterclass. In our Exposome sub-series, I want to focus specifically on one of the most pervasive modern environmental exposures of all, artificial light at night, sometimes abbreviated ALAN, because the light environment you live in has real, measurable effects on your pain and your ability to heal. Here's the issue. For virtually all of human history, the setting sun meant darkness, and darkness was the signal that organized our nighttime biology. Now we're bathed in artificial light after dark, from screens, phones, and indoor lighting, much of it rich in the blue wavelengths that most strongly affect our internal clock. Your body reads this nighttime light as a signal that it's still daytime, and that single pervasive disruption ripples through the hormonal systems that govern your sleep, your stress, and your pain control. It's an exposure almost everyone has every single night, usually without a second thought. Now, the mechanism. Light at night, especially blue light, suppresses your body's production of melatonin. And melatonin, as we discussed, is far more than a sleep hormone. It's a potent antioxidant, and it has genuine pain-modulating effects. So suppressing it removes both a key antioxidant defense and a natural pain-easing influence. At the same time, this light exposure dysregulates your cortisol patterns, throwing off the proper daily rhythm of a hormone that, when correctly timed, carries anti-inflammatory benefit. The net result is a state of metabolic stress and a disruption of the very hormonal choreography that's supposed to protect you from inflammation and pain overnight. The systems meant to repair and defend you at night are knocked out of sync, and the consequences compound through your sleep. By disrupting melatonin and your circadian timing, artificial light at night impairs the restorative sleep your body relies on for repair. And remember from our circadian episode that deep restorative sleep is when your body recharges its own pain-relieving systems, including the endogenous opioid release, your body's natural painkillers, that proper sleep supports. So the nightly light exposure doesn't just cost you rest, it prevents the endogenous pain relief and the overnight repair that would otherwise be lowering your pain and healing your tissues. You wake less repaired and less naturally pain-protected night after night. The evidence is strong and well established. The suppression of melatonin by light at night, particularly blue light, is well documented. Work by researchers like Dr. Richard Stevens helped establish the health relevance of artificial light at night. We understand its disruption of circadian rhythm and cortisol, and the connections between melatonin, sleep, and pain modulation we've built across this series. This is real, well-supported science about one of the most modifiable exposures in modern life. So, if your sleep is poor and your pain won't settle, here's some genuinely good news amid the frustration. Artificial light at night is one of the most modifiable exposures of everything we've discussed in this entire masterclass. You can't easily change the air outside or undo years of accumulated toxins overnight, but you have real direct control over your light environment after dark. That makes this one of the most empowering levers available to you, a problem you can actually do something about starting tonight. So here's what we do. We treat your light environment as a real actionable part of your recovery plan. We guide you in protecting your nighttime darkness and managing blue light exposure after dark, practical, concrete strategies that allow your melatonin to rise as it should and your circadian rhythm to realign. We pair that with the daytime light, sleep, and circadian work from earlier in the series. As your melatonin and circadian timing are restored, you regain its antioxidant and pain-easing benefits. Your restorative sleep returns, your endogenous pain relief systems come back online, and the overnight repair your body has been missing finally happens. Simple changes, profound payoff. Restoring your nights restores some of your body's most powerful tools against pain, and it's something you can start changing immediately. If poor sleep and pain have trapped you, this is a lever worth pulling. Go to painmd.tv and take the first step. I'm Dr. Padda. Let's give you your nights and your natural defenses back.